Hello everyone. Today we are going to do in Organization of Commerce and Management the third chapter, that is entrepreneurship development. In this chapter we will learn about entrepreneur, the definition of an entrepreneur, the characteristics of an entrepreneur, and entrepreneurship entrepreneurship feature, entrepreneurship characteristics, and we are going to learn the difference between entrepreneur and intrapreneur. What is the difference between entrepreneur and intrapreneur? So let's begin with entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship development. If you see this, if you remember my previous video, if you have seen my previous video, so we have discussed about what the word entrepreneur is, where this word entrepreneur is come from. The word entrepreneur comes from the French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake, right? An entrepreneur is a person who starts a business. We have seen who brings capital of its own, and we have seen the characteristics of an entrepreneur also in the previous video. In that characteristic, intellectual capabilities, future vision, risk taking, hard working, and apart from that we have done the functions of entrepreneur. Now I'll show you the what do you mean by what entrepreneurship. So let the things more clear. Entrepreneurship is a full-time job which require dedication and hard work. Entrepreneurs are the innovator. They are the owner, producer, market creator, design taker, and the risk taker. We have seen the meaning, we have seen the characteristics, and now in this video we are going to discuss mostly what are the recent trends on the entrepreneurship development. So entrepreneurship development is a purposeful activity. As you know that what are the characteristics of the entrepreneur. So we have done innovation, economic activity, organizing, building, creative activity, managerial skill, skillful management, risk bearing capacity, and the gap filling function. So entrepreneurship must have a quality of this characteristics. And we have seen the process of entrepreneurship development. A process has been divided into two, that is training, and another one is what, entrepreneurship development program. And the recent trend that it has came in the entrepreneurship development, that is Startup India, which has been started by the Government of India in the year 2016. It aims on building an ecosystem which will nurture startups in the country so that sustainable economic growth and the large scale employment opportunities can be generated. Thus, the Government of India has announced Startup India Action Plan that functions of the following areas. After that, we have got the under the startup, we have got the stand up also. So in the startup we will see the startup has been defined as an entity having its headquarters in India, which has opened less than 10 years ago and has amount around rupees 100 crores. Under the incentives of the government has already launched iMade program to help the Indian entrepreneur to build 10 lakh mobile application startup. The Mudra Bank scheme, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, these are all the which have been started by the Government of India. Stand Up India. Stand Up India schemes for the financing scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and the women entrepreneur. Objectives of the Stand Up India scheme is to facilitate the bank loan between the rupees 10 lakh and rupees 1 crore to at least have one scheduled caste and one scheduled tribes borrower and at least one woman borrower per bank branch for setting up a greenfield enterprise. This enterprise may be manufacturing service or the trading sector. Agrotourism is an idea of bringing urban residents to rural areas for leisure travel and spending. So agrotourism, when you're talking about, the state of Maharashtra is a pioneer state to develop and promote the agrotourism in country. Agrotourism or agritourism is defined as mostly, we can say, involve any agriculture based operation or activity. If you see the activities of the agrotourisms, outdoor activities, education experience, entertainment, hospitality services, on farm direct sales, that is, we can say, happy customers will definitely return. They will always go to the urban areas. From urban areas they will go to the rural areas and they enjoy over there, and side by side it provides extra income to the farmers of Maharashtra. Entrepreneur Entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is an employee who has authority and support of his company employer to implement his own innovative and creative ideas. His ideas are the pocket may or may not earn. So an entrepreneur is an employee who has an authority and support of his company or employer to implement his own innovative and creative ideas. His ideas are the product may or may not earn immediate. See, if you see the definition, so there is a Hirsch and a Peters definition, and there is a definition here. Entrepreneurs are the dreamers who take hands on responsibility for creating innovative and any kind within a business. Now, the definition, if you see, the entrepreneur is the entrepreneurship within an existing organization. So it is an organization who is going to support their employees. They are going to give their ideas. The main difference between entrepreneur and the entrepreneur is an entrepreneur does not have to invest any capital from his pocket. The company provides the infrastructure. Many large organizations has decided research has dedicated research and developed the department, whereas the employees encouraged to use their creative abilities such as ideas or innovative product and may fetch great profit for the organization. Kinetic Honda, Tata Motor, Infosys. These are the examples. If you see that the Tata Sumo and the Tata Motors, they have given, if you see the idea of the Kinetic Honda, they are promoting their employees that they are, if you see the Facebook like button, it is a brainchild of an employee of a Facebook. Tata Sumo, one of the passenger vehicle, Tata Motor was named after Padma Bhushan, Mr. Sumant Mogalkar, architect of the Tata Motors. So these are the type of the things which has been promoted